Vinyasa Yoga. The Sanskrit translation of Vinyasa literally means to place in a certain way. Another meaning is connection. There are many ways to interpret this. For example, as opposed to Hatha Yoga, where a student is required to practice each pose slowly and by taking a break in between each asana, but with Vinyasa, it's always a sequence of poses that are performed in a particular order. And there is a connection not only in between postures, but in between breath and asana. That's why it's very important to breathe correctly where it comes to this style of yoga. One very common example of Vinyasa Yoga is Sun Salutations, also known as Surya Namaskar. The series of poses strung together in a neat sequence which is supposed to be practiced in a particular way. However, a Vinyasa class is supposed to be very dynamic and personalized to an instructor. You may realize that each instructor will have their own style of teaching Vinyasa Yoga, and rightly so, as except for Surya Namaskar, which is rigid, Vinyasa Yoga is customized according to the instructor.